Good stuff, isn't it, buddy? No, thank you.
You eat it. I don't like it.
There you go.
Thank you. Take another bite.
Okay.
Is it going?
Yep.
Now, if it's over time, you get one challenge.
Landon! Tell Bobby to quit farting. Tell Bobby to quit farting. Say stop it.
Unless it's over.
You need to send this to America's Funniest Home Videos.
No.
Hi, David baby. What you doing? Hi. What you doing, David baby? Are you a good little boy? Boop. Who's got your nose? Who's got your nose? Are you sitting all by yourself? Whoa. What do you think? What do you think? You're going to tip over. You're going to tip over. And down he goes. Oh.
Hey, don't hit! Hey, Raiden, no. Okay, guys, can you say duck? Yee! What does a horsey say? Okay, say duck. What does a duck say? Don't hit. No, no. Everybody say dog. Dog. Yeah, Raiden, can you say dog? What does a doggy say? Woof, 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 woof. Don't hit.
Why does Woody see me?
He thinks it's cool. Are those your new jammies? Is there a monster on your jammies?
Monster?
What does a monster say? Roar! Roar!
Yeah, right.
Can you say Axton? Now say Raiden.
Riri?
Say Daddy.
Daddy?
Say Grandma. Say Carson. Say Ashley. Say no. Say Shayla.
Okay, yeah.
Say Greg. Say Julie. Say Julie. Say Stockton. Say Jane. Bean.
Bean?
Say eat. Eat. How do you say eat in sign language?
Eat?
Eat. Say drink. Drink. Say cold. Say ball. Say all done.
Hi, Dad.
Say bath. Say head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Remember that one? No? Don't hit. Oh, ouch.
Then why did you do that?
Give him a kiss
Why
better.
does he do that?
Oh, thank you. No.
Austin.
Hey.
Austin.
Hey. Can you say hot? Hot. Hot. Say cold. Cold? Say all done. Say kiss. Mwah. Hey, no. Can you blow mommy a kiss?
See if he hits him.
Mwah.
Oh,
Mwah. 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 Say love you. Say it. Say love you. Yeah. Love you. Can you say cow? Yeah, what does a cow say? Good job, honey. Can you say cat? What does a cat say? Meow. Meow. Say chicken? What does a chicken say? Say monkey? What does a monkey say? Yeah. Hoo, 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 hoo. Ha, ha. What else can you say? Say love you. Love you, Mama. Mwah. I love you guys. How old are you guys? Don't hit. Hey, look at Mommy. Say 1. Hey, how old are you? 1. 1. How old are you, Raiden? 1. Be nice. No. Hey, where's your nose? Where's your nose? Mwah. Mwah. I love you. Are you guys ready to go to bed? Say night night. Say night night. Close your eyes. Say night night. Those are cute new jammies you got, huh? Night night. Bye, Raiden.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Raidens. So bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Chloe. Chloe.
Time to wake up. Chloe. Come on, baby. It's Sunday morning. It's time for church. I want to stay in bed too. We gotta go. Are you gonna wake up? Are you gonna get up? Chloe. Chloe. Baby. Good morning. Good morning. I know. It's hard to get up in the mornings. But it's Sunday morning. It's time for church. It's time for church. Is that okay? Is that guy in your way? Good morning. Good morning. Are you ready now? No. No sunshine this morning. What's he doing? Hey, what's your big smile? Where is it? Did you leave it in the bed?